Oneplus Nord 2. So in this video I'll explain each and every single feature of this mobile. So let's start with the displays. Yeah, it's almost like the Oneplus Nord with the minor changes. This mobile comes with a 6.44 inches of very cute display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate fluid AMOLED display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and it is a display which supports HDR10 content also. And when we talk about the processor, yeah, this is the most improved thing from the older generation. That is, this mobile comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 1200, which is a 6nm based 5G processor, octa-core processor clocked at 3.0 GHz. And this mobile will be available in 3 variants. Those are 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, 8GB RAM 128, and also the 12GB RAM 256GB, the top end variant. We cannot get an external memory slot with this mobile. These are UFS 3.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR4X RAMs. And when we talk about the cameras, yeah, this mobile does comes with the better cameras like the Oneplus Nord does. It comes with the quad cameras where we can find 64 megapixels of main wide angle, 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, 5 megapixels of macro, and 5 megapixels of depth cameras. In terms of camera, this is plus point. And for the front facing selfie camera, this mobile comes with a dual punch hole selfie like the Oneplus Nord. It has to have dual cameras because it's the successor of Oneplus Nord. It comes with the 32 megapixels of main wide angle, 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide angle cameras. And for the battery, this mobile does comes with a bigger battery than the OnePlus Nord. That is a 4500 mAh of battery, and it supports 65 watts of fast charge. Yes, and what's the important thing about all this is subscribing to the channel, friends, if you are not already done that. And one more important thing, that is this mobile comes with the charger, cable, and also earphones included in the box with this mobile. Yes, and one more important thing, that this mobile comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner and also the stereo speakers, and it does not have the 3.5mm jack, might be. And when we talk about the colors, I will list those colors in the description box below that like button, and I will also provide a list of my another videos also, you can watch them by. And when we talk about the pricing details, this mobile price will start from 30,000 rupees, yeah, absolutely, because of the damaged processor and all the features above. And this mobile does not have any kind of IP68 water or dust resistance like that, so wait until the mobile releases. And this mobile might release on June 2nd. So that's it for the video, and that's all I want to say.